We have learned face value, place value, expanded form and short form. Now next going to another topic, that is unit 1, numbers up to 200. In this only number on the abacus. Abacus nothing but circle ones will be counting in ones and tens column. In this abacus, beads are arranged in ones, tens, hundreds and hundreds column. Nothing but you write no number names. Now see, for example, in ones column, these circles you call as a beads. How many beads are there? 2. I have written in ones column 2 number. In tens column, how many beads? 1, 2, 3. 3. In hundreds column, what is this one? Is 1. Again, one more example. Ones, tens, hundreds. In ones column, how many beads? 1, 2, 3. In tens column, 1, 2. Hundreds column, 1. In ones column, how many beads are there in this? 1, 2, 3. 3. In tens column, 1, 2. In hundreds column, 1. Total number what it became? 123. Next, in one more example. I will be giving this bits, you have to write the number. Ones, tens, hundreds. Five, 4, 1. What is this? In tens column, what is this number? 5. 5 means you have to draw how many beads? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens column, what is this number? 4. How many beads you have to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In ones column, in hundreds column, what is this number? 1. Yes, 1. What number it be? What is this? 143. Next example. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. In ones column, how many beads are there? 2. In tens column, how many beads are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. In hundreds column, how many beads? 1. What number it became? 142. I think you understood this. In page number 16 and 17 exercises are there. You have to complete it. In page number 16 and 17 exercises are there. Count the bits and write in the box. Next, going to another topic, that is comparison of the numbers. Comparison means nothing but you have to compare which is biggest and which is the smallest number. Nothing but which is greater number. First one, greatest number, and next one is smallest number. First one, greatest number. Suppose if 2 numbers are there, ones, tens, ones, tens and hundreds. 3, 4. 43 is there. Next number, ones, tens, hundreds. 153. We have to compare this 43 and 153. In these two numbers, which is big number? In hundreds column, many number is there? No. In this, compare this hundreds column and here one. Here one hundreds column, only one number is there. Yes. In tens column, 4 is smaller than the 5. In ones column, 3 is same number. Which big? 43 is 43 and 153 is there. Which is bigger greater number? Is 153 is the greater number. Again I will explain. 43 and 153 number is there. You have to compare first unders column. In this first number, in unders column only one number is there. In tens column 4 is bigger, smaller than 5. And in ones column same number is there. Because here only 2 digit number is there. And here 3 digit number is there. Which number is greater? Is 153 is the greater. Next one is the smallest number. That is the smaller number. Here also you have to compare the two numbers. Ones, tens and hundreds. In ones column 4 and 3 is there. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here 8 and 9 is there. Here what is this number? 34 and 98 is there. Here in unders column, here in two boxes, in unders column any number is not there. In tens column 3 is there, and here in tens column 9 is there. 3 is smaller than 9. Again in ones column 4 and 8 is there. 4 is smaller than 8. If you compare this 34 and 98, which is smaller number? Yes, 34 is the smaller number. Again I will repeat. In unders column number nothing it is there. In tens column 3 and 9 is there. 3 is smaller than 9. Yes. Again in ones column 4 and 8 is there. 4 is smaller than 8. 34 and 98. In these two numbers, which is a small number? Yes, 34 is the smaller number. If you go to the page number 18, whatever I explained, it is there in textbook. Again, if you go for the 19, you have to circle the smaller number, greater number and the smaller numbers. Look at this book, page number 18, 19. You have to circle the smaller numbers and the bigger numbers. And in page number 20 also same. You have to circle the greater number and the smaller numbers. Okay children? Yes. Next topic children, that is ascending and descending order. Ascending order means we will arrange the numbers into from smaller number to the bigger number. Ascending order means smaller number to the bigger number. If for example you will be standing for the assembly in the height wise, that is one type of the ascending order. Again, one more example, you will be growing up from small kid to the younger one. That is one type of the ascending order. Again I will tell smallest number to the biggest number. For example, 16, 18, 19 and 15 is there. Now in which method you have to arrange this one? First number what will come? S. Ascending order means small number to the biggest number. First number 15 will come. S. Next one 16. S. Next one 18. This third one 18. Next one 19. This is the small number to the big number. First 15, next 16, next 18, next after 19. One more example, 25, 30, 27 and 22. In these four digit numbers, in these 4 digit numbers, first number what will come? 22. Yes, this is the first one. Next one 25. Next 27. Next fourth one 30. This is ascending order. You can call also increasing order. Ascending order you can call this as a increasing order also. I hope you understood ascending order. Next, going to the next one, descending order. Big number to the small number. Descending order means big number to the small number. You can call another name. This is also decreasing order. The descending order means biggest number to the smallest number. You can call another name for this. The decreasing order means from old age onwards, younger you are growing. This is one type of the decreasing order. For examples, 35, 38, 32 and 90. In these 4 digits, 4 numbers, now first number what will come is biggest number. Which is bigger number in this? S. First 38 is the big number. Next big number is 32 is the 35 is the big number. Next 30, third one 32 is the big number. Next is 19 is the next big number. One more example. 18, 25, 36 and 48. In these 4 numbers, which is a big number first one? Look at the board children and tell here which is a big number first. Yes, 48 is the big number. Next, which one is a big number next? Yes, 36 is the next big number. Next big number 25 is the next big number. Next 18 is the next big number. I hope you understood this ascending and descending order. Now look at this page number 21 in your textbook. Exercise 1.6 is there. Given first one ascending order. You have to practice in this textbook only. Otherwise I will send a pic. First one is ascending order. Second one is a descending order. Okay, thank you children.